Redneck Kitchen. I'm Redneck Robert. How y'all doing? My mission here is to give you easy to cook recipes and tips on how to save money and just plain kitchen talk. So come on, today we're going to make homemade donuts. I think y'all enjoy this. Come on. Okay, homemade donuts. You'll need a pot, you need a fork to stir your donuts with. You need a can of biscuits, any kind of work. You'll need powdered sugar. You'll need icing to cover your donuts with. Of course, you'll need cooking oil to use in your pot. So, okay. Put your pot on the burner. Put your cooking oil in, just enough to cover the donut, or the biscuit, get a donut later. Put a little bit more. Okay. Cut your eye on. Probably about medium first. Let it slowly get warm. You get your biscuit out. I've got one right here. Pat it down just a little bit. Like so. I'm going to pour you out a little hole. Now you can roll that little dough up and it'll make a little roll donut. Just pour it out. Pinch it up a little bit. Got your little hole. Got your donut started. Pour you out a few. Make them up while your grease is warming up, and give your cooking oil time to warm up. Okay, I think the grease is hot enough. I've turned it from medium up just a little bit more. You don't want to overdo it. So you want to drop your biscuit with a hole in it in the grease. You want to keep a close eye on it until it turns golden brown. Okay, when it gets golden brown, you want to slowly take the donut out. If you keep your grease, your temperature at a lower level, that grease won't pop out on you. Have you an extra plate, then drop your other one in. You want to just cook one at a time. And then let this one get golden brown. And you have another donut. Now, hold the camera over here. Look. See? It's just a biscuit. You already got a hole in it. And that's how you make homemade donuts with a regular canned biscuits. Take the donut out. While they're still hot, you want to sprinkle your powdered sugar on them. Put them on the little holes if you want to. Add this, it makes it sweeter, of course. Okay. Then you want to take your topping. Of course, you can use whatever topping you want to. You can also use sprinkles. I just don't happen to have any sprinkles. And then you spread on there. They may not be pretty as donuts, but it's a cheap way to make homemade donuts. Kids can help. They would enjoy, making the holes. Of course, you need to do the cooking in case grease does pop out. And then you just do them however you want to. Then you'll have you some donuts. And here's your homemade donuts made out of biscuits in a can. And believe you me, they are delicious. Very good. Very good. Everyone will enjoy them.
These are good.
Okay, folks, thanks for cooking with us in the Redneck Kitchen. I'm Redneck Robert. And hey, y'all subscribe to us. Y'all have a good night, good morning, wherever you're at. God bless.
I got your picture.
there's nothing else to do. Oh, it's in color. Your hair is brown. Your eyes are hazel and soft as cloud.